Hey guys, my name is Richard, and I have been a student in MentorMe. Uh, I would really like tell everyone to take the course. Like I have been doing the course for the last 2 months, and it has been really helpful in my job. So I'm basically a digital marketer, but what I've seen is that the courses or the set of practices used in MentorMe, especially in the basics level, have been utilized in my jobs also. Like data setting and data segregation would take a long time to segregate earlier, but via this course I can do things lot easier and quicker, especially with respect to Excel and Google Sheets. And as you go forward and forward, starting from the basics till the end of where finance comes into role, they have a well proper structured plan, and uh, it's really I would really tell everyone to take this course, and it's quite reasonable. Like what I have seen, like you spend like we usually spend a lot here and there, so I think knowledge should be the first thing you should invest in, and this is one of the perfect platforms to do so. Thank you everyone, and this is a really honest opinion, and all the best guys.